Katepu, peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. This is Mama Imani out on an early bird trek, hitting some of Elder Baba Sekou, peace and blessings upon him, some of his favorite resting spots. This one is over here, this bench in front of one of the fountains here by the science building. And it's been a long while over here by the bridge, crossing the bridge over here. It's been a long while since I've been over here, and they have made quite a few changes. The trees that lined the closest side to the pond, most of them are gone. Of course, drought conditions have hit this water source as well, so a lot of the beautiful flowers that lined this spot in front of the bench are gone. I'm sure the university gardeners will be back at work come March or April, but just felt the need to cross the bridge and come and sit here. I wonder if the turtles that were in the pond a couple of summers ago are still here. I hope so. Just want to take a moment, catch my breath, have a sip of agua, wipe the sweat out of my eyes. It's been rough going the first couple of days of the work week, Monday and Tuesday. A lot of technical difficulties. Had to wait for new computer equipment, replacement computer equipment to arrive because it was not new. Looked like something that I used in the 90s. But after a couple of reboots, I got the equipment to work properly so that I could continue with my training. Lots to catch up on after missing on Monday and half of Tuesday. But it is Wellness Wednesday, and I'm determined to get my spirits back up, hence the trek, and get back into learning what I need to learn to keep this work at home job. I think that Sekou and Kamau would be very proud. Peace and blessings upon him, dear Kamau. It's been over 3 minutes, so I'm gonna head back and prepare to sign in. So let's make our Wellness Wednesday safe, make it healthy, make it content, and remember that we are already blessed in abundance. We simply have to act like it. Help me out. Book an in-person or online yoga session. I will leave the email contact and the love offering links in the description box. Hashtag be a good neighbor. Hashtag do something nice. Hashtag Hatep Yoga Tribe. Blessed be.